Okay, got it? Pretty, Courtney, can you come over here for a second? I want to more of just Diddy, if you don't mind. Okay, I think I got it. Diddy, kind of look that way a little bit, hon. You know, like look out the window. Look out the window.
I am.
Oh, no. Not good enough.
What? What?
Hey.
Hey, Diddy. Diddy.
I can't breathe. Aww. That's not funny.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, oh, I don't want to watch it. I was recording it. Oh, okay.
So was I.
What?
So was I.
I love you.
That's your bag.
Courtney. Okay.
I gotta get some real pictures.
Did you have any idea?
No.
Here, Did. For your young man.
I'm shaky. Oh God. What is happening?
If that's not the right color, honey, you don't have to use it.